So yet again, we're making a super simple, easy yet amazing yummy recipe of breadsticks, even known as grissini or even soup sticks. 4 ingredients: flour, water, salt and yeast. You can savor it just as a snack, dip it in your favorite soup, or just munch on it as a midday snack. Today we're making a herbed breadstick, but you can do a variation with the recipes as and when you like it. It's a 1 bowl recipe. We're going to take the flour, sieve it. Always sieve whole grains. To this I'm adding the yeast, the salt, the mixed herbs. I've taken dried herbs. You can even add any fresh herbs of your choice. Just give it a whisk. Begin adding the water and getting all the ingredients together. We don't really again have to knead too much, just enough to get the whole dry mix together. We want a stiff dough, not a soft one. If required, you can add a drop or 2 of water just to get rid of the excess dry mix. Right, so this is what we have. We'll begin to knead it exactly the way we did the baguettes. If you're doing a huge batch, you can certainly use a KitchenAid, but there's really not much of kneading required. Just with the light pressure of your palm. Again, use the pressure from your palm alone to push it and then get it back. Push it and get it back. We have this, a nice thick dough. Take a bowl, grease it, keep the dough here and cover it with a wet cloth and let it rest for about an hour or till doubles. And we get back to this later. So this is our dough for our breadsticks that has been rising for the past 1.5 hours. So we have a nice airy dough. We're just going to punch it and begin shaping. So divide your dough into small portions. We're just going to hold it and just roll it thin and long. This is going to double in this size, so you want to keep that in mind while rolling. And we want crisp sticks, so if you make anything that's too thick, it might not bake well inside. So try and make each of your stick of equal size and thickness. And I have a baking tray in which this will be going in. You don't want any cracks to show up. If any cracks are there, just roll it well between your palms. Just try and get them to equal size. I'm using a scraper to shape them, right? So we are going to rest this uncovered for about 20 minutes and then we're going to bake this, and we'll be back at this after 20 minutes. So this has been resting for about 20 minutes. We are going to bake this for about 25 minutes and longer if required. So here are our perfectly baked crispy breadsticks.